Yes, peeps. You know, me the guys, I'm just hanging out right now. Yeah, man, on the riverside, man. We just eat up some fish and eating some roast breadfruit and some dumpling.
And mackerel.
And mackerel, see?
Could have left out the mackerel.
Yeah, man, because the mackerel mixed with the saltfish, you know.
Yeah.
You know, it's the first time I see that one day. The first time I try that one day.
Yeah, man.
And the roost time I try that one day.
Regular style, man.
But you know, say, you know, I'm not telling a lie. Me, I was it one by itself. You see me, I say? Yes, but no, me know. And I can't tell a lie about it.
Not even plate you stand left, man.
Seeing. Yeah, man, I say things set, man. Yeah, man, I respect for the style still, because I want new thing. You know what I mean? It's all about Jamaica. Jamaica, lots of invention. You know what I say, peeps? Yeah, man, I say, go, man. ER1 Love TV. Depend them, you know? Just hanging out with the guys them right now. Waiting for our next ride to come. And we're going to touch back in this city where we're from, that's Chateau. Yeah, man, ER1 Love TV. So thanks you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for giving me a thumbs up. Yeah, man, ER1 Love TV.
Subscribe.
Yeah, man. I'm
ER1 Love TV.
Yes, man. Kiss you to that.
For my peeps, home family and friends out with ER1 Love TV. And it's a banger. So guys, remember, share, subscribe and like. Leave in a comment and go over my channel, guys. Because the same thing. One love, bless up, God bless you all. Love, manners and respect. Out.
That is it.